hydration tips for better health. Hey there, welcome to Tanaduk Media. Today we are talking about one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your health: hydration. We have all heard that drinking water is essential, but do you know why? Let's dive into some easy tips on how to stay hydrated and what it can do for your body. Number 1. Why hydration is important. First things first, our bodies are made up of about 60% of water. That's why staying hydrated impacts almost everything, from your skin to your brain and even your digestion. Boosts energy and focus, improves skin health, aids digestion, supports immune function. When you are well hydrated, you feel more energized, your skin looks fresher, and your body digests food more efficiently. But when you are dehydrated, you might feel tired, have headaches, or even experience dry skin. Number 2. How much water should you drink? Now you have probably heard the advice to drink 8 glasses of water a day. While that's a good starting point, your water needs can depend on your body size, activity level, and even the weather. A simple rule is to listen to your body. If you are feeling thirsty, that's your body telling you it's time to drink. Try keeping a reusable water bottle with you to sip throughout the day. Number 3. Tips to drink more water. Here are some simple tips to help you drink more water daily. Flavor your water. Add natural flavors. Try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries to your water to make it more fun to drink. Set a reminder. Set reminders on your phone. A little nudge can help you to stay consistent throughout the day. Eat your water. Eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. These foods are not only delicious but also help keep you hydrated. Number 4. When to drink more water. It's also important to drink more water at certain times. For example, after exercise, when it's hot outside, or even when you are just feeling tired. Number 5. Hydration and skin. Did you know hydration affects your skin? Drinking enough water helps keep your skin moisturized from the inside out. So if you want glowing skin, don't forget to drink up. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the easiest things you can do for your better health. Keep a bottle of water handy and take small steps to make it a habit. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Tanaduk Media for more health and wellness advice. Stay hydrated and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Fully engage in whatever you are doing wherever you are. Here are 5 simple ways to bring mindfulness into your everyday life without making it complicated. Ancient traditions. Close your eyes if you can and focus on the ink beneath your feet. Notice the movements of your body. Observe the sounds slowly and the effect